Hi everyone, I was gifted this beautifully chic office chair. So let's take some close-up looks and learn a little more about it.
This chair is so functional, so you can see on the side, it is your traditional lift and lower, and then you can pull it in and out to lock it into place or to move it back. This spins all the way around and the wheels are a dream. This is silent. I love this chair so much. Look how gorgeous. This is a stunner. I think this is so beautiful. The leather looks real, but it is indeed faux leather, so it's really easy to clean. You have a nice firm cushion, and here is a close-up look at the control on the left. So easy to use. The base is stunning, very sturdy. There is some plastic on the wheels that you do need to take off when you're assembling it. Stay tuned to the end and I'm going to show you how to do that. And I love that you have the metal part that is attaching the back and the seat. This is so sleek. It looks just so gorgeous in your office. It is like a piece of furniture. I am loving this. I just think it is so gorgeous. I know you're gonna love it. Check it out. And now let's learn how to put it together. So first of all, take everything out. It comes with all of your tools, all of the screws, everything that you need. Throw the packaging away. That is a number one. Everyone gets overwhelmed. It's because there's a bunch of stuff that you need to throw away. Okay, we're all organized. Now, the first thing that you are going to do is put together the base. You screw on the legs to that middle round part, and then you pop the wheels on. So easy to do. And again, all of the tools are included. Next, you are going to take this tube part with the red part up and pop that in the middle. That is going to help your chair go up and down. Put the metal piece on to the back and then this piece on the seat part, and then attach them together, and that is it. Again, this is a stunner. It is an armless, beautiful, space-saving, highly functional, and very sturdy office chair. Once you put that base on there, you are ready to go. Love this. So easy to install. Check it out.